Look at to my eye. Go to Kika Studio channel and find a button for subscribe and notifications. Oh! Dota! Dota! Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Why my dog has two eyes? Two. Okay, let's start shooting. Hello, my beautiful skulls. I was inspired again with one of Oscar's dolls. I said in previous video that my next makeup will be more creepy, but this is a little bit creepy, but for me it's kind of cute. I can't wait how I'm gonna look like with one eye. I will first do sketch, and I am very curious how this is gonna look like. And the thing is that I will do the same things, you know, eye shading, eyeliner, eyelashes, but with one eye. The only thing I think will make a problem is this part, because Oscar's dolls has this part very flat and it's easier to make eye here. That's why this is challenge for me. I'm doing a terrible mistake. I will do it again and again and again until I make it. It's different when you open your eyes and when you close your eyes. I don't know what I'm doing. How can I do eyeball like this all the time? I need to take a picture. Oh, it's not bad. Huh. I need to paint my eyebrows and my lashes in white here. You see, it looks different. I'm on the right way. I took yellow body paint. This will not be beauty makeup at the end, I can swear. Let's add some green body paint. And after that, I will add green eyeshadow. Orange here. Orange. I need a bigger brush. Bigger brush. Come on, Kika, don't give up. If I don't do this well, I will give up from makeup and everything. I promise. I'm kidding. I like this transitions. Now some of green eyeshadow. It's pretty cool, right? Some white super color to make this part lighter. I am applying a base for eyeshadow. Base for eyeshadow. Now blending. I need some white eyeshadow. I don't know how to add eyeliner here. Where from to start, from here to make it like this, or from here. And now it's a question. Will I ruin everything, or I will make it perfect? The first one, I think. I remember of my friend, and she's one of the best astrologers on the Balkan, and she always asks me when you will draw one eye, because she wants to make a joke. When she sees this, she will kill me. This supposed to go on her forehead. My dear Helena, forgive me. But My forehead is so big that it's a perfect surface for this eye. All normal women are doing their makeup on both eyes, and I'm doing on one eye. I need a rest. Am I going crazy?
Do you want to go out with me like that?
Tonight? Like this?
Like that.
With one eye?
Yeah. And we can sit on the center square and have a little box in front of you, and you're like telling the future to people like, look her in the eyes.
Yeah.
You can earn some money and then go to a party.
Yeah, we can have money for a drink. Yeah. People already think here that I'm a lunatic and I'm a freak, so...
Tell me you're not, you get one eye on your face. You really try to convince them that you're not.
I saw that Oscar's doll has some sparkles here, and I will add it to yellow. It will look good here. Few lines. I almost forgot to add shadow here and here. Eyeliner. I'm shaking. If I mess up with this line, I can easily add eyelashes. Before I apply eyelashes, I will add a little bit of glitters here. Ta-da-da-da-da-da! I will add white body paint here. I don't want to make mistakes, so I will first use my face liner. All I need to add is some shiny parts on each eyelash. Fix this one, my lips, and I'm done. I am not sure what color of wig to put on. Red? Nah. Purple? Nah. What color is this? Oh, no way. I think I found the right one. Finally. Now I need to take like 1000 pictures to find the right one, because I need to find the angle I was painting. So I need the same angle to shoot. If I don't do that, I will lose that illusion. This is the craziest picture I have ever done. I don't know why, but it just wants me to look at the mirror. I'm watching you. Guys, I would really love to hear your opinion about my beauty makeup today and the products I used. Oh, I forgot that beauty things, you know? Just a second. I don't know why I did that. Hi, honey.